Hi guys, welcome again. So in previous video we saw that how we can maximize the window. Now in this video session we will be seeing how we can make our browser in a full screen mode. What I am telling is like see we are on this Flipkart page. It's the browser is in the maximize form, but what if you want to be in a full screen mode? So you can see this is a full screen mode over here. When you click, it comes up in a full screen mode without the ribbon of minimizing, maximizing, and closing. So how you can achieve this? Or let's see. Okay. Now navigating back to our this. So what you want so this is you already know driver dot manage dot window dot maximize it. Okay, maximize max, what is happening, 1 second, maximize. Okay, so now you have navigated. Now you want what you want to make your browser in a full screen mode. So what you will do, driver dot same, it's in the manage. What you want to manage, you want to manage the window obviously, and what you, whether you want to maximize or you have to set a certain resolution of the browser or what. I want the full screen, so full screen is the method. Sorry guys. So you use the full screen method and just do like this and let me run it. So what it's going, it will be initializing, it will be maximizing, and then navigating to the flipkart.com, and then it will be making your browser in a full screen mode. Run it as Java application. So browser opened, maximize, navigated, and that's your full screen. So this is what we wanted, right? So this is how you do. Full screen is a method that you can use to get your window in a full screen mode. So that's all about this method, and keep watching this series. I have uploaded some of the videos all about the different methods, get title, get text. Start from the beginning if you want, and please do like and subscribe the channel, and I will be coming up with the next video very soon. Thanks, bye.